In the previous lecture, we have learned how to update a project by using work hour data. That was the most precise way of doing the project track. Due to some reasons, it may be very hard to get the work hour data regularly. In such a case, you may update your project by using the percentage complete data of the tasks. In this lecture, we will learn how to update our project by using percentage complete data of the tasks. Let's say one more week is passed since we have updated our project. Before entering the progress data, it is better to change the status of the project. I will click on the status date and change the date as the 5th day of May. I assume that I have the percentage complete data of the tasks. Due to this information, I know that excavation works of Building B is completed on 29th of April. As you see, its planned finish date is 28th of April. Due to some reasons, we have completed this task one day later on 29th of April. Just enter this date in the actual finish field of this task. As you see, its percentage complete is now 100%. From the progress data we have, assume we know that progress of first floor concrete works of Building A is 50%. Just enter this value in the percentage complete field of this task. Now, as you see, planned start date of first floor walls of Building A task is 4th of May. But assume it hasn't been started yet. I won't do anything because it hasn't been started yet. Since this is a critical activity, I know this will cause a problem and we will see what is going to happen in just a few minutes later. Assume, according to progress data we have, first floor concrete works of Building B starts just on schedule. As you see, its planned start date is 25th of April, therefore its actual start date will be the same. Let's say its progress is 20%. Now, we are done with the progress data we have. It is time to update the project then. Let's click on the Update Project button. We will choose the Reschedule Uncompleted Work to Start After option and click on OK. As you see, updating a project by using percentage complete data is easy. Okay, as we thought, we have a problem here. If we look at planned finish date of the project, we see that planned finish date of the project is 2 days later than it should be. Its baseline finish date is 19th of August, but its planned finish date is 21st of August. We need to do something to pull this planned finish date back to the baseline finish date. We will talk about what to do in the next lecture. So that's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.